Ka-chow!
This is a common part that breaks on these Civics. I'm going to show you the broken one, then show you how to do it if the plastic sides are not broken. You would peel this boot back, and there's a little spot on both sides to push on this button to release the plastic handle. You lift up the back first. This is the part number that I purchased from Honda. It came with 3 pieces instead of just the one that was broken, but it was actually cheaper to buy the 3 than it was to buy the 1, so make sure you check this option with your parts department. Take the boot off. At this point you can choose to replace the lower hard plastic pieces if necessary. Slide the new boot on. The plastic handle has ridges that have to be seated first. Before everything snaps into place, you have to make sure you get the little rubber lips under the plastic handle. The tab on the e-brake button faces towards you. It can take a couple tries to get the handle to go in correctly past the clips. You will know once it goes in because it will seat. Test its operation, and voila, fixed your annoying e-brake handle. Thank you so much for watching. I offer in-person and virtual consulting and education, so if you want help completing this job yourself, feel free to reach out using the details in the description. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so we can help other people find this video. You can find other helpful tips and tricks on my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn at Girlie Garage.